Hello everyone. Hi Watson. Can you guys hear me as well as see me? So today I have reduced the frame rate to 30 frames per second. You shouldn't notice a difference because 60 was already pretty high and 30 frames is like fine. So less lag, I guess. I do have like internet issues, so maybe few frames will drop. Hi Salim. But yeah, visible or audible. Awesome. Hi Alberto. Welcome back everyone. So yeah, how are you guys doing? Hi Sajad, welcome back. I'm good, I'm great. So yeah, let me check if screen share is working. Yeah, it is. So let's jump to YouTube. On this YouTube, build with Hussain. So we crossed 750 subscribers. Thank you guys. We'll soon reach 1000. Yeah, then it will be like 1k. Good number to have. Okay. So yeah, this episode was like a special Independence Day episode. Happy Independence Day to India. And yeah, so the last was with Mayank. Do check that out. He shared some cool tips in customizing with. Oh, thanks. Hi Tesh, welcome to the show. So yeah, what was I saying? I was saying. So yeah, I am like a little, what do you call, out of words. So the upcoming episodes, as I was saying, are tomorrow's episode. Hi Tahir Zakal. So upcoming episode is basically with Saqib tomorrow. Do join that session as well. So he is going to help me set up Frappe insights from scratch on Build with Hussain. So yeah, cool. And what's the agenda for today, right? Today I want to do some housekeeping stuff as well as build a feature for writing articles. Nowadays I have like a lot of ideas for writing articles, tutorials. Hi Patrick, welcome back. So yeah, tutorials and some tips and tricks. I have a few topics already in mind that I want to write. So a blog feature will be good, right? And that we will do using Frappe as CMS again, which is already like set up. If you have checked episode 5 and 5b, we have already connected Frappe to our site. Now it's just a matter of fetching the data and rendering those pages, static pages, right, of the blogs. So that is what we are going to do. First, we will automate the emails because like currently I just go into system console, copy all of your emails, and right now I think it is 87 folks have registered using this form. Thank you guys as well. And so yeah, we will automate it in such a way that before the session, before 3 hours before the session, maybe it will send the email reminder. That's my plan. The next is to bring this. So this was the feedback I got from Faris, that why is schedule on a different page. And I thought, okay, now you say it makes sense. Why is it on a different page? So we will move this schedule to this page, and we'll rearrange some of this stuff to start with. That will be like the small part, and then we'll move to automating the emails, and then third we will jump to the big feature of building the blog. Let's get started. So this is the live one. What I want is 87. Awesome. So let's close this as well. And yeah, I was checking out. So Frappe website is being redesigned, and there is a blog design as well. So I was checking out if we could reuse some of the designs in Build with Hussain. Let's see. We'll figure it out later. But for now, let's minimize Figma. Go to our terminal. So I have this new keyboard. Ta-da. Since I was going if I was doing from my laptop, I had to do this. Now I can sit and relax, right? And we can go for more long hours. Hi Ajit Kumar, welcome back. So yeah, let's jump into the folder build with Hussain / buildwithhussain.dev. I will open it up in VS Code. Cool. Why? Yeah. So let's clear this and start our dev server. So yeah, typing is a little bit not that practiced yet. Why did I run yarn? Okay, let's get the latest packages. That's fine too. Para-pa. Cool. Yarn dev. Okay. Start at local out 3000. Let's open and bring it here. Right. And make this smaller. Shrink it, zoom to 100% so we can see what's happening. And our local integration is working as well. So I have the credentials in .env file. The Frappe API credentials. So this is all I built in live during episode 5 and 5B. So you might know. Okay. So I started working on this articles thing, but let's delete it. I started working on it very long back. So maybe I should get rid of all of this now. So we'll start from scratch. So first thing what we need to do is we need to bring the schedules here. Schedule here instead of the schedule page. So I have this schedule.astro page. And since I had broken down into components, I can just copy it over to the main. What was it? Let's start at index. Index has a hero section, which is basically this part. And here I want the schedule. So let's bring this schedule here after about me. Upcoming episodes list, we need to import upcoming episodes list. Let's import. Yeah, let's see if we got the schedule here. Okay, awesome. We have the schedule, we have the episodes. Now what? So we can basically get rid of this separate component. Let's delete it. Right. And then we can also delete the check schedule button, which was looking very odd because it was added ad hoc, not part of the design. Ha! Hi Pranjal, how are you, bro? Watching Frappe stream with a glass of Frappe. Awesome. So yeah, I deleted the odd looking button. That's gone. And now I'll just bring this registration box, which also is design has become odd. That will fix it. So this is this piece. So this is the fun of doing components, right? So if you have components, you can move them, you can switch them to different files, and it is very easy. So component driven approach is nice. So I will get rid of this from here, and I will add it just after the schedule. So people check out the schedule and then they know, okay, registering will let me know the schedule updates. Let's paste it here. Okay. Hit format. Yeah. And now let's check out. So people land here, they read about why did I start Build with Hussain, and then they check out the schedule. Then they can register and then they can see episodes. Okay, should I call it past episodes? What's your opinion? Audience. Episodes is fine, or should I call it past episodes? I don't know. Fine. But we have fixed what we had to. And this looks good now. Maybe this font is too big, but we'll fix that in another commit. So let's add refactor. Move schedule to landing page. Cool, done. So we are already shipping stuff. Let's drink some water. So weird stuff. I have a green bottle, but since it is keying the green, so it's weird stuff. Okay, I should drink it and keep it aside. Effect of green screen chroma keying. Okay. Also, I can remove this ID. Let it be. So now there is just one page, and this is this. Now we'll have blogs page. That's different. Upcoming brews. Oh, I don't know. It's cool. Maybe I will suggest it to Nishant for Frappe's thing. Cool. Upcoming schedule can be upcoming. What can we call it? So let's see how it looks in. Okay, it looks much better in the desktop view. Awesome. Okay, for now I will leave it at schedule, and no, that was the first thing that came to my mind, and we'll focus on the more important things. But a good suggestion, Ajit. Okay, now what? Email automation, right? So if you recall, we built an integration. So I was taking the training yesterday, and this is from there. So now I have this graphics tablet that I can use to write stuff, to explain something if there is to explain. So I will close it for now. Awesome. So if you recall, okay, let me close this as well. Let's close ERP next as well. Yeah, I opened too many things, and then it's open for days. Yeah, so the idea is basically, let's go over full screen. Yeah, so when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I plan to give away like at least 10 of this. More improved. So I realized after I ordered this is that this part, when this strings come here, this written part is somehow like a little hidden. So maybe I'll move it down a bit, and then at the back side it says United by FOSS. So thanks Vishal Arya for this. Cool. So yeah. Also, I have like asked Nishant to print some stickers for Build with Hussain, and we will distribute them at Frappeverse. Yeah, I can post it to South Africa. I think so. If possible, I will, sure. Okay. Again, I got diverted. So I was saying that, yeah. No, this is like United by FOSS. So it's FOSS United's motto. because Vishal Arya from Force United ordered it for me. So we are going to, so he's going to join us next month when we build a merchandise store on Frappe framework for Force United. So that's one of the build with Hussain next month. Spoiler alert. Yeah. So if you recall, we built a recent integration, right, in episode 9 and 9b. So now it's just a matter of installing this app on build with Hussain and then writing some scripts to send the emails. As easy as that. So let's do that. I'll go to frappecloud.com/sites. I will log in. Why is it cutting off? Okay, let's go to full screen. Again, as you can see, this is like upcoming stuff, but yeah, you won't see this. So let me switch to my team. And here I have cms.buildwithhussain.dev. That is the site, the CMS, where I want to install the integration so we can send emails. Manage bench. Okay, there are updates, but fine. So I want to install and add an app. Resend integration. Awesome. Let's add that. Cool. Okay, attention required. Why? Okay, cool. It's gone now. So let's install and update our site. Cool. So this will add the app to the bench as well as update our site so we can install it there as well. So till it is like being deployed, so the deploy is running. Now we have Frappe and resend integration. So till then I can go to resend.com. Yeah, I have the credentials here that I will get from here later. But meanwhile, let's think what we really want to do. Okay, video quality looks compromised. Yeah, because the internet. So I am going to put a complaint. So today is a holiday. So extremely sorry for the video quality because the upload speeds are like horrible. I checked it yesterday as well. So they go to 4 MB per second and then come to 1 MB and then horrible. So I'm going to put a complaint to my internet provider tomorrow because today is holiday. No one is going to give like an answer. So yeah, sorry for that. Maybe I will remove my camera. So let's see if that improves it. Let me know. So I'm gone. Okay. Can you see me? No. Can you not see me? This is not the right question. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Yeah. So website registrations that we built, right? So it comes from the form. And so I need to notify this 87 folks. Okay. In 3 hours, I'm going live and we have a doc type where I track the streams. Okay. Yeah, I hid myself. I think the lag is also increased between your chat and my video. So do bear with me today. So I even upgraded the plan to like 3x of what it already was, but nothing. So I have to get some technician here. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, you can't hear me, I guess. You can hear me, right? Can someone confirm? Can you hear me? Watson, Salim, Ajit, anyone? Yeah, cool. Thanks. Yeah, so this is the stream and I have the date and time here. So we'll just write a server script, scheduled server script that will basically send the emails, right? That I manually do, it will send it. That's the whole point. Cool. Let's see if our Frappe Cloud update finished. Frappe Cloud. Okay, it's still in progress. Till then, let's fix the styling of this thing, right? Localhost 3000, and I will again bring it to the code. Yeah, and now I want to fix this. So let's open up a registration form component and let's style it. So making it smaller will do. Too much padding. So there are 2 input components, but slowly we will do it. Border 3 pixels. Let's do 2 pixels. Looks fine. Padding left 4. Padding Y 5. Let's do padding Y 2. Better. And let's do text XL. A lot better. Yeah, this is like the current one, this is the old one. Current one, old one. One more thing I will do is I will focus ring green 500. Awesome. One more thing, border should also be green. Border green 400. Not green 400. I can do green. What is this? The episodes section heading. It's green 500 at 70. Okay, got it. So it's 70% opacity. 500 at 70%. Looks odd. I don't know why. That green is not the green I want. Let's try 700. 900. 900 is too much. 700. So let's do 50% opacity. 30%. Looks better. But I still not this green. So let's check out section heading again. This green is not the same as this green. What else? Yeah, this is what I need. This separator. Okay, let's check schedule list. Okay, schedule upcoming episodes list. It has divide 900 at 10. Okay, it is 900 at 10% opacity. Oh, much better. Okay, and on focus, what happens actually? On focus it turns to blue. That is not what I want. So did I mess something here? Okay, focus ring green 500. Green. Yeah, much better. Now I will make the second one the same as this one. Let's take this class. Basically I want to copy the styles over to the email thing. Awesome. Now it looks better, much better. So now in active state it is like a light blue, but fine, works for now. So we'll write your first name, you will write your email, you will sign up. That's super cool. But I want this to be a little more darker. Let's zoom out a bit so I can see. Text Excel, text gray 600. Yeah, better. Let's see it in this view. Button is too big compared to okay. But fine. In desktop we can increase the padding of these two boxes. So let's go and input elements. SMPY3. Let's check PY4. Okay, PY4 is good. Now let's add the same class here. Awesome, looks better. Let's hit commit this. Fix registration input styles. Yeah, done. Let's publish this so you guys can also check it out. And let's jump back to Frappe Cloud, see if it is done. Okay, it is deployed. Awesome. Let's go full screen then. And let's check if the site is updated. Not yet. Let's trigger and update ourselves. We can skip patches, but I don't think there will be any failing. Site update is fast because it deploys a whole new bench. Yeah, I am doing like actions with my hand, assuming you guys can see me, but yeah, fine. Any questions till now? Like anything, ask. So now we can go to apps and install recent integration. So app is being installed. Hopefully it doesn't fail. Okay, it installed. Now I can go back to CMS. That's the one of the powers of Frappe, right? Like you have apps, you install it and you have like a lot of extra functionality in many cases. So recent integration is installed, and if you recall, we have written some docs on how to use it. That also we did live. So installation is fine because in Frappe Cloud you can do with one click. You just need to head over to your recent dashboard and generate an API key and paste it in recent settings. Okay. Add a webhook. Okay. Copy the signing secret. Fine. And then done. Then it is docs for how to send emails. I chose recent because it has good developer experience. The integration we were able to build like very fast, I guess. And then the second is it gives you 3000 emails free per month. And I did some calculations how many emails I will send per month. So It's 87 registrations. Probably it will hit 100 in a month, I guess. And 100 emails. So I have 5 episodes, sometimes 6. So 600 emails at max. And sometimes some emails that I will start sending from now on, maybe newsletter of some blogs or something. So 3000 should be fine for me. Yeah, let's go to recent settings. API key, signing secret. Let's jump to recent and I will move it to the screen by my side so you guys can't see the secret. Okay, API keys. Let's create an API key. Name is build with Hussain. Build with Hussain CMS. Full access, all domains. Cool. Let's copy the API key. And I will bring back the browser window. I will paste in the API key. Signing secret, let's get the signing secret from recent dashboard. Webhooks. So we have to set up webhooks. So let's set up webhooks. So endpoint is, so I want to get every event. And this is what will update the status of the emails in real time. So let's go back, and in the documentation, your site domain. So okay, let's go back. Let's add it here and replace this weird part with cms.buildwithhussain.dev. Basically your site URL. And add. And signing secret, let's copy signing secret, let's paste in our settings, recent settings. Looks like I copied the wrong thing. Because last time I remember it was a small, but fine. Yeah. So now we are ready to send emails. Let's try it out. So I will open system console. Someone tell me your email. No, don't tell in public. You will get spams. I will send it to myself and check. So let's do one thing. Let's go back to the documentation that we wrote. That is where documentation exists, right? Even I don't remember how to use it. Okay, one of the ways is you can send emails from your custom app or server scripts too. From recent integration.api, send recent emails. Okay, this is for multiple. And as far as I remember, for sending a single email that I haven't documented here, and maybe I should, what we need to do is we need to use this doc type, recent email record list. So you just give it a subject, to, and from, and HTML email. So we can do it from here. Subject is build with Hussain test email to Hussain@frappe.cloud. All is alias to Hussain@frappe.io. From, so from is so you should have a verified domain in your recent. So I have verified my domain buildwithhussain.dev, and reply to will be Hussain@frappe. So you guys can reply to any reminders and I will get the reply. So notification buildwithhussain.dev, subject is this, email HTML, right? So let's write some HTML. H1, it works, save, it is in draft. Okay, I don't have a submit permission. So let's go to role permission manager and select recent email doc type. submit, amend, cancel. Resend email record, hit refresh, and on submit it will send the email. Okay, it is in sent, delivered. So this is the webhooks are working. Awesome, our integration works. Now let's go to Gmail and find out. Okay, we got test email, it works. Awesome. So time for confetti. Cool, let's jump back. And now what we need to do, we just need to create a email record. Should be good to go. Awesome. But before that, a good looking email, right? A good looking email. Why did I choose recent? Because the team behind recent created this thing, React email. Which basically lets you write emails in React. The next generation of writing emails. This is where we will design our small email. And awesome. Let's see how we can do that. So we'll do this yarn add this. No, not button. We need a starter thing. How do we get started with this? So let's go to their website. Okay, this is this npx create email at latest. Let's copy it. Eventually, so I had like a React email starter, but again, so I'm just copying this npx command. Yeah. Yes, go ahead, install. So to decrease distractions, I will hide my desktop icons. Awesome. Confetti. Confetti is cool. What did it do? I have no idea what it did. Okay, it added to the same folder, so it doesn't allow us to rename it. Fine. We'll copy it up. No, open it up in VS Code. And we'll do yarn dev. Awesome. Parapa. So till it is being installed, as I do, like, internet is horrible ever since I shifted to the first floor. So usually I did stream from the ground floor where the main router is, and then I have now shifted to first floor, so it's like quieter, and I have more space here for green screen and everything, but the internet is horrible. So yeah, to the top. I don't know. Do something about it. Don't worry. You don't have to bear with it like in every episode. Cool. Okay, Ryan, go ahead, man. What are you doing? Come on. What? Okay, I will do yarn dev again. Basically, this will open up a preview thing where I can write the code here, but the preview in that browser video and window, and then I can get the HTML and use that HTML in here. It's Wi-Fi, not cable. And first floor. Yeah, let's see if a booster helps. Yeah. So are you guys with me? So it's fetching packages. Yeah, I was on mute for a few minutes. I was talking to my mom. Yeah. That's why my voice was not audible. Is it audible now? Okay, 0 KB per second for a few minutes, but now it is again up. I'm trying to get this running, but I don't know why it is not running. Come on. Let's check package.json. Okay, maybe it started at port 3001. Okay, it started. Finally, let's open localhost 3001. Yeah, this is React email. So to start developing your next email template, so that is what we are developing. We are developing an email template for, you can create a .jsx inside the email folder. So they have some sample emails, that Notion magic link, Stripe welcome link, and you can see the source, and then we will be able to copy the HTML later. Awesome. So I already was trying it out and I had some stuff set up. So let's see, emails, build with Hussain reminder, and this is the folder. Yep. So as you can see, I had added the Poppins family and so on and so forth, but yeah. And then here you can write tailwind and so on and so forth. That's fine. So I will bring it here. So we can build a simple email template. Only dark mode, no light mode. That's fine. Okay, let's start building. So I'll remove this click me button, or maybe comment it out. So what happens on click me? Okay, it's a href. Awesome. So maybe we'll have live stream instead of click me. So I am going to post a video soon, Kush, on Build with Hussain, most probably next week, that will explain background jobs and scheduler events that are cron jobs basically. So there are two ways to summarize. The first is to create a server script. Okay, we are going to create a server script, Kush. Stay with me. So we are going to automate the sending of emails. So we'll create basically a job that runs every hour. You will get the idea. Works, Kush? Join live stream. I hit save. Let's reload. yeah, join live stream. This will be the button, and href will be basically will pass it through dynamically Jinja. This will be the live stream URL. And before the button, let's add a p tag, and here I will write hi. So let's say Salim is the one this email is being sent to. Hi Salim. Why is it all black? Come on, there should be a light theme as well. Nope, that's fine. Or does it pick from my default this? Let's check. Preferences, theme, toggle theme. No, let's open up preferences from my Mac. General preferences, which is called system settings now. That's fine. It popped up in my second screen. That's fine. So I will search for theme, appearance, light mode. Okay, I switched to light mode, but the browser didn't, so I won't be able to read anything. Oh no, because I can see hi Salim here. So let's do one thing. For now I will do text class name, text green 50. Yeah, hi Salim. And then font sans, yeah, hi Salim. And usually I do this. This is the emoji I use if you have read my emails. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, new keyboard, right? You need to get used, and it has been 2 days, I guess. Okay, hi Salim. And then what next? This can be there can be a custom message, but for now I'll write we are a new episode of, now this is copywriting. We are doing everything right. We are building it. The new episode of Build with Hussain is going live in less than 3 hours. Cool. So let's add a break here. Break will be this. Does break work? Okay, it works. And I will add some padding here. So class name, margin top 2. Break doesn't have margin padding, I guess. But let's do one thing. One more thing I can do is I can add a span, or maybe much better. Let's not worry about it right now. Okay, it's going live in less than 3 hours. So now this will contain the episode name. Let it be outside the paragraph. Okay, the server crashed, I guess. Come on. Yeah, it's back. And now what I will do is the episode name. So H2. This will be, what's the episode name for the tomorrow's stream? Episode 14 or 15. Let's copy it from the CMS itself. Parapa. Stream build with Hussain stream list episode 15. Let's copy this name because this is what eventually will go here, and we'll style accordingly. Stream link, awesome. Stream date, stream time. Okay, and we'll do it class name text Excel, text green 50, font sans, let's add a colon here, and this looks good. Optionally later we will add a photo. So this should be the first name to whoever we are sending this email to. And join live stream, and then I will add a span here, which will basically be my salutation or whatever. Class name text white. Okay, span doesn't work. Let's do a p tag then. Yeah, could we add like add to calendar? Okay, let's see if we can. Good idea, Salim. Let's do add to calendar as well. Let's find out if we can do it. Add to calendar link generator. Okay, let's see how it works. If it is straightforward, we'll do it. I don't want any custom thing. Okay, there is an npm package to do that, but no. So add to calendar link HTML. Let's read about it a little. Building in public, right? This is like a lot more powerful than sitting in your own room for hours, like turning off the light, everything is dark, hacker, what do you call? Yeah, whatever. Yeah. So build in public, you get like mass information, mass wisdom from the audience. So here is like simple. So NA tag, add to Google Calendar, Outlook and 365 links, add to outlook.com, Apple. So what should we do? Let's try this. I'm copying this. So let's just try this link first, and we'll replace it with whatever details we need. So you might have to do this date parsing later, but event description text, episode 15, build with Hussain. My event will be build with Hussain. Okay, let's hit enter. Let's see if it works. If it does, we will add this too. Awesome. Build with Hussain. Description is episode 15. New York City, we can change it to remote. Remote is not there. Okay, fine. So we won't add any locations. And we just need to set this now. This will be super cool. Thanks Salim for the idea. Let's go back and copy this. So what calendar do you use? The audience? So I will just add 2 calendars, 2 of them here, maybe this and this. So I think that will cover the majority. Let's do it. Template dates is in ISO date format, start date time, end date time. Okay, this is the start date time. So we can easily get this in Frappe. So let's copy this link. Let's copy this A tag itself. Let's close it. Localhost port 30. Yeah, this. Let's add it below the salutation. We'll add a div which will basically have this A tag. We'll style it, that's not an issue. Class name, text, green 400. Let's shrink this. Okay, add to Google Calendar. Let's change the font to sans. Awesome. And then we will also add a button for. So let's do Google Calendar for now. We'll add more later because we have to figure it out. Okay. And then I will add my peace emoji here. After a break. Okay. Font sans. Okay, this looks good. So it is a short email, but what I should do is add a div here, class names. So this is React, so class is class name basically. Google, right? Yeah, let's keep Google for now. That's the majority. Class name is margin top 3. Let's add a div, wrap this inside the div. And then we can remove this text 50 from here. We'll add another p tag and move this to that p tag. In the div I will add class name, so every child element inherits this style. Font sans and then text green 50. Awesome, now it is back, and margin top 3 now looks too much. Let's remove the break as well. So now we can remove this div as well and directly add it here, since font sans is not required. Margin bottom 2. Cool, looks better. So our h2, right? h2 looks odd. Instead of doing Excel, let's do LG. Font semi bold. Awesome, this is fine to start with. Let's automate it. So I will go to source HTML and I will copy it. So this is all the HTML we need to send the email. Awesome. Let's go to our CMS. Let's create a server script. So I will take a note of it. I don't like this padding. Let's close it off. I'll save it for now. I'll report it later. Okay, add a server script. And in here, I will do HTML template. So since the script goes away. So we have, like, check out episode 3, I guess, where we covered Python and server scripts. There you will learn about document, scheduler events, permission, not permission query, API. So I'll go with scheduler event. And I want it to run hourly. Kush, are you watching? So set it to cron, and then you should be able to do a cron syntax here. But I will go with hourly, and I will give it a name. Send episode, no, build with Hussain stream email reminder. Okay. And HTML template no, wrong template strings. I was using the JavaScript template string. Cool. Now this is our HTML template. For now I will hit save, but I will close this and I will stop the React email server because it's taking too much of CPU. And close it. Awesome. Now we can get to automating stuff. So we have the HTML template. It is not a template yet because it has static content. So since we will render it as Jinja, call this first name, right? And this will be going less than 3 hours is fine. And what else is not static? Okay, this text, right? Let's go with build with Hussain. Details will be again a dynamic string, which will be what do you call it? Let's zoom in a bit so you guys can see. So details is the episode name, right? Episode. So let's call it stream title. That's what I have called it there. So dates are ISO dates. So this is the start time, start date time, and date time. So with this all we have to pass dynamically, right? And what else? Yeah, there was an A tag if I recall correctly. That will be the link to the stream. Where is it? Yeah, this will be the name of the stream, that is stream title. And what else is, yeah, this one. So this will be stream link. Okay, sounds fun, but I will show you how I do it. So I will open up system console. I will paste this script here, and what I will do is I can log it as is template HTML template HTML. What did I call it? HTML template. Okay. Yeah. So how do we render it now? Giving it like replacing dynamic values. We have frappe.render template. So what I will do is I will do, instead of logging it, I will do frappe.render template. And now we can pass in context. So context will be the dynamic variable. So first name will be, so let's break it down. First name will be Ajit. We need a stream link. What else we need? We need stream title. Yeah, let's expand it. Good call. What else? First name, stream link, stream title, start date time, end date time. Start date time, we'll get the correct value later, and date time, I'm just trying to replace it, and date time. Okay, what else? Looks cool, everything looks cool. Yeah, now let's store it somewhere. HTML, let's log it. So as you can see, it rendered the template, hi Ajit, and it should replace every template. So why is this href gone? Okay, because there is an empty string, that's fine. Add to Google Calendar, also the dates are gone. We'll bring them back, no issues. Awesome. So now we can render the template. So let's get this back to our server script. Server script list. Build with Hussain reminder. Okay, let's place this here. And instead of logging the HTML, we need to send it, right? And we need to render this template for every user. Then only we'll get the first name, last name, right? So first of all, here is the logic we need to figure out. So how do we figure out which is the stream that is going to basically be in 3 hours, right? So how do we figure that out? So every hour we'll get all the streams. Frappe.getAll, build with Hussain stream. So I will get which are today. So today will be frappe.utils.today. This will give me today's date, and I will filter out stream date is today, let's do streams today log. So let's do a singular one. I will tell you why, just give me a minute. Stream today, and let's get the fields we want. So what do we want? We need the stream title, we need stream time, we need what else? I think stream link. Yeah, stream link. Let's check. Unknown stream title. Okay, maybe it's called title. Most probably. Stream today. Stream today. Okay, so now we got that. Okay, this is the one that is today. And what else? So it should be in 3 hours, right? Because in email we wrote, okay, it is in 3 hours. So we have to send this only when like the stream is in 3 hours. How do we do that? So we have stream time. Now we just need to find the difference between now and that time. So we have some utilities in Frappe which can help us deal with date time in server scripts. That is what we are going to do. So yeah, as you can see, we have stream link, we have stream time. That is awesome. So it returns a date time dot time delta. So it's not just a string, it's a time delta. Also let's get stream date as well. So since the add to calendar will require the whole complete thing. Awesome. Now how do we check if it is in 3 hours? So we have some utilities that I don't remember, which we'll find out. cd frappe bench 0 apps frappe code dot. So I will do safe exec and let's see what all is available inside. So we have date format, time format, what we really need is utils. Okay, data utils. Add data utils. Okay. For key in utils.data.items. Okay, it is adding everything inside frappe.utils.data. So let's do data.py. Okay, here is everything that we have access to. So here is it. Date diff, time diff. Awesome. So time difference in hours. Lot of cool utilities. I don't have I don't use Frappe directly for Docker, but there is a lot of demand for it. Maybe I will get Revant. So I am yet to have a chat with him. But yeah, he'll be able join me for a session. If he says yes, then yeah, we'll have Docker, Kubernetes, that kind of discussion then. Okay, now time will give us the time right now, right? And then we will difference it with, hi, Ashraf, am I correct? Welcome back. Yeah, so I'm figuring out how we will find out if we have to run. That's a perfect use case for the pen. Okay. Okay, not red, but black. Yeah. So there is stream time, which is 2:30 p.m. almost always. So then there is stream date. In today's case, it is 15th August 2023. Then we have what do you call current time. So if this server script, because it is running every hour, so okay, every hour won't work because it's 2:30 and it will run at 2 and 3. So Either we can do every 30 minutes. Maybe there is a simpler stuff, but yeah, fine. So if it is running at 3, then okay, this is the easiest thing. So what we will do is we'll add a checkbox in the stream. Reminders sent. And this checkbox will be checked when the server script is done sending the email reminders. Good solution, I guess. And this will prevent any future like repetitive sending of the emails. This will be good. So now we are running every hour, and whenever, in whichever hour the time difference is less than 3 hours, we'll trigger the emails. Simple. So we'll do time diff between. So let's find out what time diff does. Diff end and start. So we have to give it an end time first. So end is stream time, and then the difference between the current time. If this thing is less than 3 hours, right, we want to trigger email sending. Sounds about right. Let's try it. So how do we get the current time? Now time was it? Okay, now time. But it returns in string. So let's do. So let's check what time diff takes. Okay, it takes string. Time diff in hours is what we want. Okay, let's jump back to our system console. I will get now time is now, what was it now? Forgot again. Frappe.utils dot now time. Okay. Frappe.utils.now time, and stream time is stream today dot stream time, and we will use frappe.utils.time diff in hours between, what was it, stream time and the current time. Okay, stream time, so let's call it current time, better name. Current, no, we can't use import in server scripts. So what all is available, that is that. So let's log this, whatever difference we get. It will be in negative. It's 0.0. What? Yeah, let's have a session on Docker. Either Aditya can join, the master of Docker at Frappe, or I will ask Revant. This will be after the conference because before it is like overbooked. Okay, let's jump back to the server script. And why is it 0? Let's find out. So what I will do is, instead of okay, wait. Stream time is not, okay, got it. So it is a list, right? So what we have to do is, we have to limit it to 1 and then get the 0th of it. So stream today will be, if at all there is a stream today, then stream today should be stream today of 0. So basically I am setting it to the first one. Let's see. Unsupported operands for minus date time dot time delta and date time dot date time. Ha. Stream time is stream time. Now time, what does it return? That's why I don't like playing with dates and times. It's not always that straightforward. So now date time dot, so it returns a string of this format. Let's write it down. So now time will be of the form 0 to 30, and stream time, what is it? Let's check the logs. So let's log both of them. Log current time. Oh, we have to build the articles feature. If we are like stuck for a server script for a long time, how we'll do that? Okay, as you can see, this is like 1550 to 56, which is the current time. And it also prints, okay, let's print the type of both. I don't think type is available here. But let's print, let's see what it is. So as you can see, it is time delta. So how do we convert time delta to something better? Any idea? Time delta to strf to string time. Let's find out. No, this is not the solution. Huh. Let's see what else we have available. Get first day, no. Get quarter, no. Get first day of week, no. Get time, what does it return? So you give it a time string and it returns the time. Okay, it is parsing time delta. Let's see, and it returns time. Awesome. Let's try this. So get time, frappe.utils.get time. Let's type it here. So current time is frappe.utils.get time. So there are a lot of utilities. Okay, this remains same, but now I assume we could do this. So instead of, we can do, so I think if you don't pass anything, right, it gives the current thing. No, it doesn't. Let's do this. Now both are time delta. Let's remove this console log. Hi observer. Good morning. Unsupported operands between time delta and none type. Now what is none? What? Let's log both again. I'm not good at dates, working with date times. Let's remove this log. No one is none. Then what is happening? What is happening? Anybody? Anything? So it is like both should be string. So let's do this. Let's convert this stream type to get time. Come on. Unmatched this. Where? Where is the syntax issue? Okay. None type and num type. Now both are none. Get date time. Okay, it takes a string and then, but we are giving it both deltas. What the opposite of it? Get time str. Okay, get time str is what we want. So which was the delta? This is the delta, right? Get time str, and let's do this as well. Okay, now it shows one more. Okay, finally we get this. Okay, and now since the stream is already started, this is what happens. So we have to be cautious about this situation, otherwise it will send email every hour after the stream is done. So we have to check it is not negative and it is that, right? Cool. Finally we get it. That's why I use system console, because when you do server scripts, you have, when do you run it, right? So that's, first jump to system console and try it out. So now it's minus 1.5 hours. Let's check. It's like 4 and 2:30. 1.5 exact, correct. Yeah, run confetti. Awesome. This is building, right? I was not prepared. I didn't prepare anything because I wanted to build it live and do everything that I would normally do. Yeah. Cool. Let's copy this stuff to our server script. Let's remove the logs and clean it up a bit. And if it is the case, then we'll do this. And instead of logging, we'll do hours. We'll store it in a variable, hours to stream, right? And this is awesome. For some time I won't have 2 streams in a day, so this is fine. And what else we needed to do? We were to add a what do you call, a checkbox. Let's do it. I will add this code here. So now it will tell me hours to stream. let's do this. So I will do an else here, so the code is cleaner. Else return, right? Let's do nothing. Okay, return can't be there. I guessed it, but fine. So let's write everything inside this if block. If there is a stream today, then only do this all stuff. Okay, we are good to go now. So now what we need to do, we have the stream that is today, and that is we are going to, if hours to stream is less than 3 and hours to stream is greater than 0. We notice the case, right? Oh, sorry. See the recording. I'll share the code as well if you want. Sorry, Ajit. If this is the case, then we send the emails. Let's expand it. As I said, I will get this fixed before tomorrow's anyhow. Yeah. So stream today, current time, stream time, hours to stream. If hours to stream is less than 3 and greater than 0, then we will send the email. And we also have to bear in mind that, okay, we'll go to doc type list, and we also have to check build with Hussain stream form view. We'll add a checkbox at the top, so I will add a new section here. This should be here. Reminder emails sent. This should be the name. Let's copy it, and in our server script, after we are done with everything sending emails, right, what we will do is we'll do frappe.db.setValue, right? Build with Hussain stream. So let's fetch the name as well, the stream name, right? So it will be stream today dot name, and we want to set the value of this to 1. Awesome. Now you know we have to send the emails here, so let's write a function. So cleaner server script, send emails, this can be the function. Let's define it at the top after HTML template, of course. Let's collapse if possible. Yeah, here def send emails. It will take some stuff and send the emails after rendering the template. Yeah. Horrible internet speeds. Yeah, send emails will be, so what will it require? It will require the stream that is today, and yeah, that's it. I think this is the only thing. So it will get the stream as a function argument. Stream, yeah. Now what? So we need to get all the email registrants and send the email. That's it. So email registration emails frappe.get all build with Hussain registration. That's the name of the doc type. And we want to get plug. Which field do we want? Email. And yeah, this will give us the emails. And for email in registration emails, I want to render this template. Okay, no, we can't just get email. We have to get the fields. So instead of emails, because we need the first name for rendering that, right? So let's get the email as well as the first name. Yeah. So stream link will be stream.streamlink. Stream title will be stream.title. Start date time, right? We'll figure this out. First name will be R. Let's call it R. So R dot first name. Cool. Start time, end time, we will figure it out. But now we have the HTML. Now we just need to create that doc type and send emails, right? Frappe.new doc. Email record. Let's open up this and I will go to recent email record list, and let's see what all are the mandatory fields. Subject from reply to, and this is email HTML. Let's try it from system console first. System console. Yeah, frappe.new doc. As you can see, I am trying everything first in system console. Recent email record. This will be, what do you say? Anybody still with me, or I'm just doing my work? Email record. Let's call it ER for short. ER dot subject. So subject will be an F string. Hi Kenneth. Emoji time maybe. Post emojis. So subject will be, if you noticed when I send you email, I add this. So I learned this from Faris. So when I was in marketplace, I was building marketplace in Frappe Cloud team. I was like to send some emails to notification to the publishers, and I send them like subject, okay, your app is in review, or it is missing that, this. So he like said, how do I find this, right? When I am in inbox. So when you add this, like when you search for build with Hussain, all the emails with build with Hussain subject, you can easily see, okay, this came from build with Hussain, right? For build with Hussain. It was a good tip. Thanks Faris for this. So build with Hussain, and then I will write. So this will have some stuff later, but for now the subject is fine. And from, so er.from, I think the name of this is from underscore email, and this will be always notifications at buildwithhussain.dev. Now I'm just using the recent integration to send email. Let's set reply to. Er.reply to will be Hussain at frappe.io. io. Thanks everyone. And 2, right? Comma separated list of emails. Does this work? But I won't do it since I want to track each one's. So I should remove this note from here. Each one's status of delivery, right? Let's go back, and year dot 2 will be 2 emails. Yeah, because to and from are like reserved keywords for let's test it out. Frappe dot cloud and email HTML. This will be the meat. Er dot email HTML is it works from system console. Er dot insert dot submit. Let's make sure we do commit here. Let's hit execute. It was done. Let's see if it got created. Yeah, it got created. It is delivered. Let's check our inbox. Okay, it works from system console as well. Fine. This is cool. Let's go back and copy this, right? This is our code to send the emails. And replace this with the code we brought. I don't know how we will test this, but yeah. So now the subject will be this, and the stream title, which will be stream.title, right? And 2 emails will be the registrant's email. Email HTML will be this rendered HTML. How will we test it? I have no idea, but we will test it somehow. So this is this all fine. HTML is HTML, email is email, reply to, from, to, everything. So yeah, let's summarize what we did. So we got today and we got the streams that are today. If there is a stream today, we select it from there, and current time is there's this, and we calculated the hours to stream. And if there are less than 3 hours, no, you can't execute from here because this is a scheduler event. This will run hourly automatically. Yeah, we have one thing. Yeah. I remember. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll test it out. But yeah, I'm just revising what I did. So if hours to stream are less than 3 and this is greater than 0, it means the stream is not completed yet. Then send the emails, and then at last, when you have sent the emails, set the value of reminder set to 1. That is, it will mark the checkbox as checked. Let's go here. Since it created a... Okay, we can execute it. It was executed twice. Mostly failed. Okay, it was complete 14 minutes ago. So did you guys receive any emails? I hope not. Because there is no stream. If I trigger it now, it won't do anything. Let's see. It shouldn't do anything. So let's execute. Okay. It was complete. And did it send any emails? Resend email record list. No, it didn't, because there is no stream in 3 hours, right? But if I was to test it out, right, to just one person, let's test, right? Because without testing, it is nothing. And it can go wrong. Receive 200 emails. What? Oh no. You won't, it is running like hourly. So So what I will do is I will manually add my first name and email here. I will comment. So just for testing purposes. I will add a frappe.dict. No, dict doesn't work. That's fine. It should work. Email will be my email, hussain@frappe.cloud, and first name will be Hussain. Right. For now, we will bring this back later. And how do we trigger? So I will create a test stream and trigger this. I'll delete it later, but yeah. Okay, it won't let me create. Let's try with this. Okay, it works. Okay, let's create a test stream. You will not get an email, don't worry. Test stream for emails. Date will be today, and it should be in 3 hours, right? So suppose it's in 1 hour. As you can see, the emails are not sent. That is super cool. And now I will go in my server script. Send reminders, scheduler, job type, hourly, execute. Failed. Ha. Module has no attribute dict. I knew it. What is it called then? We aren't allowed to create frappe.dict. Anybody knows? What is it referred to in server scripts? Because I know we can. Let's find out. Safe exec dict. Okay, only dict, so you can directly refer to as dict. Tahir is right, yeah. Let's hit save. Is an invalid because it starts with underscore. What? Because I can see is it is like underscore dict. Huh. Because it's not letting me save it, right? If it starts with underscore. Oh, it saves, but okay, it saves, but it complains. Fine. Let's see if it works. It shouldn't complain though. Let's hit execute. Hopefully it doesn't fail this time. Failed again. Registration emails is not defined. Okay. This is like another problem, so that's fine. Where is registration emails? Registrations. That's why I said like we need to test it, right? Ha. Test again. Okay, it is started. Complete. Let's see if an email was sent. Let's see if an email was received, right? Build with Hussain, test stream for emails, and horribly so Anyways, confetti. So you can click on join live stream. Let's see. Okay, uBlock origin. Did I do something wrong? Don't warn me again. Proceed. Maybe this is due to recent ads click tracker. But we did receive the email. We just need to fix the styling now. That we will do. So we will change the text color basically. So this will all become text gray. No, text green 900. Wherever I have text white, it will become text green 900. And everything else works. We are good to go almost. Let's just see if we can manually do it, or we have to go back to React email. We have to go back to React email. Let's go back. Build with Hussain, React email starter, code dot yarn dev. Build with Hussain reminder, and I will just switch it to that text. Not a good UX if someone from React email team is watching. Very less possible, but yeah. What I will do is stream link. Let's convert it to template, so we don't have to do it in server script. First name, stream title, stream link, stream title, everything works. Start, date, time, and date, time. Okay, looks good. And text green 50. We'll go to text green 900. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's fine. I know first name is not defined. I'm good with it. Okay, then I have to define everything here. Const first name equal to Hussain. Stream title. Okay. Okay, I guess that's fine. So I shouldn't have done that. Converting into this thing was like a bad idea. Here it will work, I guess, but not here. Okay, wasted a lot of time. First name, you still want first name? Thankfully GitHub Copilot is there. Cannot find module this. Come on. Horrible. Few minutes more, then we will go to articles and create the base at least after a small break. Shut up. Won't die, right? Then go away. Why is bench running? So if it doesn't find 3000, it should go to 3001 automatically, but it doesn't. Okay, fine. Finally. Let's copy the HTML. Close it. Okay. Let's go back to our this. Paste in the HTML updated template. And now we just need to do that stuff again. So let's start at first name. First name. Stream link. Stream title. Yeah, everything else looks good except event description text. Stream title. How to filter child table field based on the value in parentheses. The both refers to same dog type in Frappe. I didn't get it. Can you elaborate? What's the use case? Why you are trying to do it? Let's hit save. And let's trigger it again. And this time it should not trigger a email because it will, because we did one mistake. Let's check the Gmail. It shouldn't have come. This looks good, right? Neat and clean. This can be darker, but later. Not nitpicking right now. Okay, awesome. And let's fix a small thing that we have in our script, that if it is already sent, don't send it, right? So there will be a condition, and then let's get this field as well. And stream today dot reminder email sent, not sent. This won't work. Let's do not send then. Okay, this is good, this is good. Let's go back, final check, execute. It was complete, but it shouldn't trigger a new email. Resend email record list. So it wasn't sent. Awesome. Now we can bring back our original code, comment out this debug code. Start date time, end date time, we can get it for using stream time. But for now, should I do it or not? I'm thinking about it. Since our script is almost done, right? Maybe we can move it here, then it will let us collapse. No, that's fine. So let's get this as well, because then tomorrow it will start sending emails and you guys will click on it. So let's get the start date time and end date time as well. So we'll again go to data.py and check if we have something. Get ISO or something. ISO. Get date time. So it should be date time stir. If it is an instant of date, it returns, combines it with the time. Invalid date string, return something. So it should be date time string. How do I combine date and time? That is what I'm looking for. Thanks, Tahir, for answering the question. I think set query is the thing looking for. Add days. I don't think add days will do it. Let's check anyways. So it will add to a date, but days. Add to date. That's a different thing. Okay, we can do this, by the way. We get the date, that is the stream date, and then it will be today because we are sending it today. So it will add in today's. So we just need to do hours, minutes, and seconds. Awesome. Yeah, let's go to system console. Let's get back our logs. Rerun in console. Okay. So I have stream time, right? Log stream today dot stream time dot hours. Come on, stream to of 0. Nope, hours is empty. I think it is called hour. No. Okay, it has minutes and seconds. Cool. Let's try total seconds. Something will work. It is a method. Let's call it. Okay, now we need to add this total seconds to the date. Frappe dot utils dot add to date seconds okay, we need to return the date equal to none. Take today's date. Yeah, or can we pass stream date? That will be cool as well. Okay, it works. Now this whole big thing is actually, there is most probably there is an easier way, but yeah, fine. First cut, it works. So what will this give us? This will give us stream date time. And we need to log stream date time. This is not ISO format, so how do we get in ISO format? Get date time in time zone. Let's try it. Frappe dot utils dot I'm just experimenting here. Nope, doesn't work. So I'll figure this out later and share the code. That's fine. But let's get very simple blog working, right? That's what I promised, and that's what we'll do. So we'll jump to astro.build. So this is astro documentation, and what we really want is the documentation. So since reminders are going, that's fine. We will fix the add to calendar link later. And now what I want is, so basically what will happen is we want no longer want like a single landing page. We want to generate like multiple pages. So each one page for each blog. Let's figure it out. Routing, dynamic routes. Okay, this. An astro page file can specify dynamic parameters in the file will generate multiple matching pages. For example, this generates a bio page for every author. Author becomes a parameter that you can access inside the page. That's awesome. So pages slash author slash pages. So I will call it articles. Pages slash articles slash article.astro. Article.astro with square brackets. Awesome. So get static paths. That's cool. Let's copy this and paste it here. We'll have params will be article first blog. I'm just doing static, not fetching from Frappe, just doing static for now. And I can do article, and then I can do current article. Awesome. Let's go to build localhost 3000, and if we have done it correctly, first blog should be generated and it should show the current article. So let's go here slash article slash first blog. Awesome. So that's good. So we can do an index.astro that lists all the articles. Astro h1 all articles. Styling I won't care for it now. Const all blogs list will be, so when we fetch it from somewhere it will look like this. So it will have a title, route, UL. Let GitHub Copilot do this for us. Ha! Jinja. What? Not Jinja, bro. Blog list dot for each blog, right? For each blog. Yeah. Let's call it article. Since we are calling it article everywhere, let's call it article. I will do an li tag. Which will basically have article.title right. Let's go to /article, all articles, no list render because there is no title and route. Let's do first blog. Don't worry, we'll fetch it from Frappe backend. First blog. Let's make it inside the li. Let's do an a tag. Simplest of blocks, right? Then we'll style it. Styling is later part. href will be article dot route. /articles /first block. Awesome. Let's render. Nope. This is the block list, right? For each. Okay, we are making a mistake. No? Why? For each article, which is this, we are using the title here. We are doing the route. Why does it happen? Because clearly we have one block and we are iterating over it. Something is wrong. Object. Okay. So this should work, right? Okay, maybe I'm doing upcoming episodes. Let's check. Okay, .map. Okay, fine. So for each is a different thing than map. So now you click first block, you go to first block, right? Simple block is ready. Now we just need to fetch it from Frappe. So we already have a doc type for blog, you may know. So let's go to CMS, blog post. I don't have any blog post. Let's create a test one. So title, blog category. Okay, fine. Title will be first build with Hussain blog. I won't push it to production yet. Category, we can create a new category. Tutorial. Hit save. We'll worry about route later, but it will be articles /first build with Hussain. Blogger is okay. We have to create a blogger. Hussain Garia. Hit save. Yeah. So content type. Okay. Test content. Awesome. Now let's hit publish. So this is in the CMS. Looks too much cluttered as of now, but this is what we'll fetch in our Astro app. So first what we will do is we'll fetch we'll import first there should be a okay fine, let's get import this. There should be a utility to get the Frappe instance, right? Let's create one. Utils folder, utils. Okay, there is already an utils. What is it doing? Okay, it has episodes, but I don't want that. Frappe.ts function export function get Frappe app. This should basically be this reusable code, right? Import this. So we don't want to repeat initialization of Frappe instance again and again and again. Okay. Return Frappe. Awesome. Now we can clean this episodes a bit. We don't need any of this here. Const Frappe will do get Frappe app. Awesome. So let's see if it nothing breaks, hopefully. Let's go to the landing page. Schedule and episodes are rendered as expected. Awesome. Let's go back to articles. And now since we refactored a lot of stuff, it's cleaner, and I will go to articles index page and const Frappe equal to get Frappe app. Come on. So instead of the static one, we will do this. So we have to await, right? Fields will be title, route. Title and route will do for now because that's the two things we will need. Right, and it should come from dynamic from our blocks. Let's test it out. Let's duplicate and create a new one. Duplicate second build with Hussain blog post. Route must be unique. Okay, second build with Hussain blog. Now Let's go back to our build with Hussain site. Let's reload. Okay, first build with Hussain block, second build with Hussain block. Awesome. Now it is coming from our CMS, and let's add just one filter, that it should be published. What? Okay, here filters is this. Yeah. Let's reload. Hopefully no one goes away. And if we change, since it's currently like, let's unpublish the first block, reload, first is gone. Awesome. Cool. So the blocks list is coming from there. Again, let me just do this for where we are dynamically doing this. We'll get the route. Format won't work. Okay, let's clean it up. So import Frappe, import this, get the blog posts, right, then return this. Okay, there is some syntax issue here. Okay, gone. Now we need to mark this export async function. Awesome. Now we'll get the article and then get its doc. We'll do get doc for it. Const article doc equal to db.getDoc. Let's move this outside this function so they are accessible anywhere. Okay, db.getDoc, doc name, this is article doc, and article doc dot title. Awesome. But it will be route, right? So we have to do something else here. So we have to find the name of this using the route. Weird issue. We'll figure out later. But for now, let's just print article. Awesome. Okay, let's get back to articles and click on second. Okay, an error occurred. DB is not defined. Where? This is DB. Okay, it looks like I'm just me here now. Frappe is not defined. Okay. Okay. Looks like we have to define everything here in this function. Expected an array, got an object. Article slash second build with Hussain blog not found. So what is happening? Okay, got it. So this should be, so this is articles slash second article 2 second article. How do I do that? I need to split dot split art slash so in Python it is very easy to get the last part of it, but for now I'll get 0 and I think 1 dot split art slash and get the first one. Let's see now if it works now. Okay, awesome. So now we have a list of articles and it is rendering the second blog post. So if we were to go and publish this and come back here, so that there is first blog and first, okay, maybe I messed up the route. No, it is there. Second and first. Maybe it was not generated. It should have been. First blog, second blog, first blog. Because I can see this and the route are correct. Somehow I'm doing something wrong. Let's go to Astro, the docs. So I'm doing it correctly. It's fine. I'll figure it out. Might be a bug that I might have introduced. Or does it only render? Let's check the dev server. Second is there. Okay, now I think it generates only on, there was some issue somewhere, so it stopped generating automatically. So yeah, we now have the articles feature and I will just build upon it. I will just style it. Now it's all about styling, getting more fields done and cleaning it up. We are done for today. Let me just come back. Can you guys see me? It's time to end the stream. I hope you guys had fun. I had. Like now the emails are automated, so tomorrow you will get an email. If it works, you know why it works and why it doesn't. If it doesn't. Cool. Nobody with me? Yeah, Alberto is there. Awesome. So it's a white bottle now. So depending on the background, it will be that color. The magical bottle. Awesome. Bye guys. Yeah. Thanks for staying till the end. And goodbye. I will get this upload speed fixed as soon as possible. See you tomorrow. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.